There is an important function in Python which is underscore underscore str underscore underscore.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Now this function of Python returns the string representation of the object. This method is called automatically when print function is called on an object. Right now you won't be able to understand it fully, but I would explain it with the help of an example. Let's open PyCharm. I have already created a project and there is a Python program, new Python program str.py. Okay, let me have a class employees. I'm going to take for these properties, that is attributes, eCode in integer form and ename in string form, and here I am going to have my constructor. Okay, eCode 1 formal parameters, ename 1 and dot eCode. Now what we are going to do is we are going to assign the values of the formal parameters which will be passed the values from the driver location of the program. I am assigning the values of these formal parameters into the attributes being preceded with self dot ename is equal to ename 1. Okay, now let me write underscore str, then underscore underscore, then I would be writing self. Okay, now what I am going to do is I'm going to return statement return employee code is equal to plus str eCode, okay, slash n to take to the next line. Employee name is equal to plus ename self dot ename and self dot eCode, because we are referring to the attributes, we are referring to the properties. Okay, let's go to the driver, that is the main part of the program from where these functions will be called. Before that, I would take an object of the employees class and constructor will be invoke. Let the name be Anil Sharma. As you know, eobj is equal to employees. What it will do is it will create an object with the name eobj 101 and Anil Sharma. These are the actual values and they will be passed to the formal parameters eCode 1, and eCode 1 will be passed 101 and ename 1 will be passed Anil Sharma, and subsequently we will be assigning these values to the attributes eCode and ename. Okay, now what I want to do is print, and within print I won't be writing any string, but I would be giving the name of the object. Now, right, when I would write print eobj, if I had not written this underscore underscore str underscore underscore function, it would result into error message. But because I have written this function, when I would write print eobj, the control will come into this underscore underscore str underscore underscore function, and here the return statement will work, that will return employee code and name. Let's execute the program. Control Shift F10. Okay, the name is employees and I forgot to write underscore underscore within it. No issues. Control Shift F10. Yeah, this is the output. As you can see, print eobj, when I wrote print eobj, the control went into this double underscore str double underscore function, and then it returned employee code and employee name. So what we have done here is we have in fact invoked print function on an object. When you will use print function, you will invoke print function on an object, like we have invoked it on eobj. The control is bound to go to underscore underscore